Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special website review for this Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is coming from designhill.com, where you can create your YouTube logo in under 5 minutes. So you might want to check them out, get your business started. Say if you do like a bar club scene, you want a logo for it. This is a good site to choose from. Tattoo artists. You can always choose your designs, logos, business owners, YouTubers, vloggers. Really cool, a lot of packages to choose. You could design your own logo in less than 5 minutes. It's easy to set up. All you gotta do is enter the name down here. I'm gonna do it in caps lock. Step 79. Generate logos. There we go. And then you can pick up to 5 logos you want to choose from, and then it'll tell you down at the bottom right here where the progress is at. So just pick your 5. So say I want that one, and it moves 1 out of 5 down there, and 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Oh. And number 5. So you select it. Then you choose your color schemes. So I'm going to go with black, red, and the whites. Hit continue. So you can choose your slogan if you have a slogan. I don't. I just do everything. So I'm just going to leave that blank. Select the industry you want to choose from. See, you got a lot of choices. Automotive, attorney at law, great. Alright, and then once you choose your niche, say art, entertainment and arts, you pick that, then you choose your budget. I'm going to do $0 because this is a demo, but you could choose all the way up to 1,000. And they got different packages. I'll show you like t-shirts, coffee cups, banners, vinyl wraps for cars, a lot of stuff to choose from. So you can add up to 5 symbols. Okay, so you want to say DVD. You have that. I think there was one for YouTube. So you just type it in up here and go to YouTube, search it. There you go. Pulls up the symbols you want to choose, up to 5. So that's really cool. Oops. Try and make this video quick and efficient as is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Okay. There we go. Choose up to 5. Now it's going to generate it. So it takes down at the bottom, tells you where it's at, the percent wise. And then it's going to load up. Bada boom. Logo mania. So like I said, this is really easy to use. I'm not an expert, but it makes me feel like an expert doing this. So you can sign up, log in, all that good stuff. I think I'm still log in. Hold on. Alright, once you log in, it's going to do it again with the generating the logos. And easy peasy setup. It's going to pick them. Look at that. Then you can pick any of these logos you like, and you can edit. So kind of like this one, like the retro. That would be like for gaming. So really cool features they have. A little more logos up down at the bottom. And let's see. That's pretty cool. I like this one. So you can go here, edit, click on edit. Make it under 5 minutes. You could do edit the name and slogan, edit the colors. So if you want to choose like black, you do like red, kind of like that. So you can mix and match. You could do change the symbol, container, layout variations, inner container symbol. You could change. Like I said, once you pick it, you can download it, save it, and then purchase it. And then once you purchase it, you can choose the packages. that you want to get. Update to this file, download. See, there's the package prices they have down at the bottom. So $20, $65, $195. And that's so you get everything. You get the lifetime support, the black and white versions, full ownership, print ready. Then you can do add-ons, business card designs, letterhead designs, t-shirt designs, different payments are like Visa, MasterCard. I don't think PayPal yet, but definitely if you guys are interested in taking off now since everything's going on social media networks, you might want to sign up to this program. My link will be down below where you guys could start designing your logos quick. Sorry I tried to make it under 5 minutes, but a little over. But definitely YouTubers, when you got free time, check them out. Cool company and a lot of cool features to choose from. And make your own logo under 5 minutes. Alright YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day. See ya.